friends, I have an art project that goes with the story I read, A Windy Day in Spring. We're gonna make some flowers blowing in the wind. I've already started. And what you'll need is some shapes around your house. I found this little lid in my cabinet, in my drawer, that I used to trace to make my flowers. I'll show you. Oops, can't get it. So I traced this, and then I used a measuring spoon to make the circles for the petals of my flowers. You'll need some glue, maybe some paint and paintbrushes, or you can use green crayons if you want, but this is something that you can blow the wind with, so you might want to use that. You also will need, I have a dropper in case I want to drop some of the color on, a pencil to trace, and some construction paper. One more thing you'll need is, sorry, I forgot to bring it over, is a straw. So I'm gonna show you, I'm first gonna glue my petals on my flower. So I already began. I'm gonna put different petals to make my flower look pretty. And then glue them on. And, oops, don't stick it in the paint. There we go. So I made one flower all stuck down with glue. And then I'm going to use, for this one, I'm gonna paint the stem with green water paint. I'm gonna hold it up so you can see when I'm done. And then for this one, for the second one, I'm gonna glue them down. I'm gonna glue my orange flower down with different colored petals. I put paint on each corner to hold the petals on. I'm gonna put blue petal, green, yellow, and pink. And to make the stem for this one, I'm gonna use my dropper. I'm gonna get some paint in there, and I'm gonna put a couple drops down on the paper. And then I'm gonna use my straw, and I'm gonna blow to make a windy flower. I'm gonna put a couple more drops down. You can put as many as you want. If you put a lot, your paper will get wet and soggy. So try just to put a few drops down, and I'll show you how it came out. Here are my windy flowers. Let me see how you guys have done with your project.